Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with this device. So first we should open the notification panel, and here in the top bar you should find somewhere the scan QR codes icon. But if you have no here the scan icon, like in my case, you should go here on the right upper corner. Just click here to this edit icon and click to edit switches. Edit switches. And now somewhere here on this down section with these hide icons, you should find the scan icon. Just hold for a while and drag this icon here to your notification panel to all the visibles icons, and then just click here to done. And as can you see, we just successfully added our scan icon here. And now just to scan QR code, you should click here to scan. Now just click here to next. Yes, I agree. Read the description here. Click yes, I agree, and allow this all lens to take the photos and record video. You can allow only on this time, and while you will use that, I'll allow only this time. And now just click here to get started. And now we just activated our camera here, and now we just activated our QR codes feature to scan. And now we'll just try. And now, as can you see, here we got the ask a question, allow the lens to redirect you to third-party apps. Click here to allow. And now, as can you see, we just successfully opened the Wikipedia, because this QR code was the example of the Wikipedia site website. So that's it. That's how it looks. That's how to scan the QR codes with the help of our HUAWEI P50 Pocket. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.